Hey guys, today is going to be a little bit different of a video. I just replaced the power steering pump on my 1JZ Supra. Here is the old pump. Since the company did not require a core for the pump, I thought, why don't we take apart this old pump and see what's inside. So this probably won't be too long of a video, but we're going to dissect this pump, see if maybe we can find out why it was squealing and screaming, and also just see what's inside. So let's get to taking it apart. So this is where the fluid comes out. This goes into the pressure line that goes to the rack. Interesting piece here, O-ring right here. Not exactly sure what this does. Let's see if... Yeah, not exactly sure what this piece does. There's a plunger in there. Ooh. Look at that. Anything else in there? Oh, anything else in there? Just some blood. So this is what we just pulled out. I don't know the mechanics of this, but yeah, this is what goes to the pressure line. See if there's any more fluid in there. All right, let's take off the back. Oh. Alright, there's definitely some crud in here. I'm sure that is not good. This pump, it worked kind of. I had intermittent power steering, like I could feel the steering work and it kind of would pulsate. It would work, not work, work, not work, and it would moan and whine the whole time. And I'm sure whatever this debris in here is not helping it. Also not exactly sure what this piece does, but there's all kinds of debris there. This is the pump. Very interesting. So I think this works very similar to how like the vanes in an air tool work. So it has these vanes that are on springs, I think, maybe not, but there's these vanes here, and when this spins they expand out. The centrifugal force makes these vanes go out and pump the fluid. I'm pretty sure that's what's going on here. Yes. So this is kind of the housing for the vanes. Bunch of crud in here. Give it a good wipe down, see if we can see any bad wear or anything. There is some scoring in there. Nothing that I can feel, but there is some scoring and slight discolorization. Oh, and all the veins. Not all of them, but yeah, now all the veins just fell out. So these little guys just simply slide into the rotor here, or whatever this is called. Yeah, look at all these little guys. There were 10 of these vanes. I believe that's what they're called. 10 of these vanes in that rotor, or housing, whatever. And these are what catch the fluid and spin it and force it through. And that's what housed them all. Pretty cool. I took apart an air tool once, and this is exactly what it looked like inside. The centrifugal force just made those expand out and spin the fluid. I'm assuming now, really, the only thing that we can further take apart is the snap ring on the front of this, and see if we can get the bearing and stuff out. Alright, there's the shaft with one of the bearings. That was the only bearing, but now there's a seal in there. Got the seal out. Well, I think that's about as far as I can disassemble this. That metal sleeve in there, I don't think I can remove, and all that's left is the cast iron housing. So that's actually pretty simple. There was not a whole lot in here. That's all that was inside. Really pretty simple, honestly. But I'm not exactly sure what failed. I'm guessing it had something to do with the crud in here. That's what's inside a power steering pump. Pretty simple. I guess these are probably pretty easy to rebuild as long as it doesn't catastrophically fail. But that's not the route that I chose. I just bought a brand new one and put it in, and now it's working great. So, hope you guys learned something. Hope maybe you enjoyed it. And go out there and take apart some more stuff and learn something. So, catch you next time. Bye.